Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to make this colorful edible rakhis. Yes, these are Rakshabandhan special cookies which are shaped like rakhis, and these are whole wheat and eggless. These pretty edible rakhis will add more color to your rakhi thali and kids will love them. So do watch the video till the end, and if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. Do like and share with your family and friends, and please hit the notification bell icon to get new video updates. Now let's start with the recipe. So first of all, preheat your oven and prepare your baking tray. Now in a bowl, take 2 cups of atta or whole wheat flour, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and stir it properly and keep it aside. We will mix the wet ingredients in a separate bowl. Half cup of sugar, then add 1/4 cup of refined oil or any oil of your choice. Add 1/4 cup of butter at room temperature. Now whisk them all properly. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and then whisk again properly so that everything is blended well together. Now add the dry ingredients a little bit at a time, blend well, and then add the rest of it, and then again mix properly. Now using your hands, knead it to a soft dough. Take around half cup of milk at room temperature and add as required, adding little bit at a time until a soft dough is formed. For best results, wrap the dough in a plastic wrap and refrigerate for 20 to 30 minutes. You can start making the cookies right away, but I would recommend that you rest it for at least 20 minutes in the refrigerator. Now take it out from the refrigerator, dust the surface with flour, and then roll it thin. It should not be very thin or very thick. It should be of medium thickness. Now cut the cookies using a cookie cutter, or if you don't have a cookie cutter, you can use any steel bowl or small steel glass. I am also using another shape, it's a flower shape. Remove the excess dough and then keep it covered with a plastic wrap. Take a small quantity of the dough and then divide it. Take each portion and then roll with your hands as shown. Place it on the baking tray, then put the piece of cut cookie on top of it so that they look like rakhis. So these cookies are ready to be baked. I'm cutting out the rest of the dough as well, and I'm leaving a few of them plain without the string. Now I will bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes or until they are golden brown. Once baked, let them cool down to room temperature. Now I am using these different colors of fondant to decorate the cookies. Dust the surface with corn flour or icing sugar before rolling the fondant. Now I'm going to cut the fondant into different shapes using different kinds of fondant cutters to make the design of my choice. If you like, you can follow my design or you can make any design of your choice. I'm mostly using floral cutters here. Now I'm going to stick the fondants on the cookie. Just add a little bit of water and stick it to the cookie as shown. So this is one of the designs. I'm going to make a few more, so stay tuned. So if you're new to my channel, do go ahead and watch my other recipe videos. I have a lot of healthy recipe videos on my channel. If you like baking, I have a lot of healthy baking recipes on my channel. Do go ahead and watch them, and do watch my Christmas cookie recipe. They are also eggless cookies, so I hope you will enjoy them too. So for this design, I'm making the string of the Rakhi using fondant, and I'm going to stick this whole thing on the cookie using just a little drop of water. I think they look quite pretty. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. So these are a few more designs, and I hope you liked the video. Please do consider subscribing, and do like and share, and please hit the notification bell icon so that you know if I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.